10th Social Science English Medium First Lesson Book Back Answers. Choose the correct answer. First one. What were the three major empires shattered by the end of the First World War? Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. Answer. And second, which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Answer is Japan. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? Answer, Lenin. Fourth one. What is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Answer, trench warfare. To which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belong? Answer, Britain. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Answer, Russia. Fill in the blanks. Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. Second, the new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of London, signed in May 1913. Third one, Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. Answer. Fourth one, in the Balkans, Dash had mixed population, Macedonia. And next, fifth one, in the Battle of Tannenberg, Dash suffered heavy losses, Russia. Dash as Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference, Clemenceau. Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1925. Choose the correct answer. The first one, the Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Second, Turkey fought on the side of the Central Power. Third, Britain attacked Turkey and captured Constantinople. Fourth, Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. இதில் first, second, fourth are correct. Assertion. Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's market. Reason. Both the countries produced required raw materials for their industries. Assertion. Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's market. Both the countries produced required raw materials for their industries. Answer is A. Both A and R are correct. Third, the first European attempts to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles. Reason. There was stiff resistance from the native population. Both A and R are correct answers. Match the following. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. Answer, Russia with Germany. Second, Jingoism, England. Kamal Badsha, Turkey. Emden, Madras. Hall of Mirrors, Versailles. Second lesson, history. With whom of the following was the Lateran Treaty signed by Italy? Pope. Answer. With whose conquest did the Mexican civilization collapse? Answer, Hernan Cortes. Third one. Who made Peru as part of their dominions? Answer, Spaniards. Which president of the USA pursued good neighbor policy towards Latin America? Answer, A. Roosevelt. Which part of the world disliked dollar imperialism? Answer, Latin America. Fill in the blanks. The founder of the Social Democratic Party was Mussolini. The Nazi Party's propaganda was led by Joseph Goebbels. The Vietnam Nationalist Party was formed in 1927. The secret state police in Nazi Germany was known as Gestapo. The Union of South Africa came into being in May 1910. The ANC leader Nelson Mandela was put behind the bars for 27 years. Boers were also known as Afrikaners. Choose the correct answer. During World War I, the primary task of Italy was to keep the Austrians occupied on the southern front. Second, Germany took to fascism much later than Italy. Third, the first huge market crash in the US occurred on 24th October 1929. The ban on African National Congress was lifted in 1966. Answer is 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D. Second, a new wave of economic nationalism which expressed itself in protectionism affected the world trade. Reason, this was because the USA was not willing to provide economic aid to the debtor countries. Answer, A is right but R is not the correct explanation. Third, the Berlin Colonial Conference of 1884 to 85 had resolved that Africa should be divided into spheres of influence of various colonial powers. Reason, the war between the British and Boers in South Africa, however, was in defiance of this resolution. Both A and R are correct. Match. Transvaal, Gold, Tonking, Guerrilla Activities, Hindenburg, Germany, Third Reich, Hitler, Matteotti, Italy. History third lesson, Second World War. First one choose. When did the Japanese formally sign off their surrender? Option A, 2nd September 1945. Second, who initiated the formation of League of Nations? Option C, Woodrow Wilson. Where was the Japanese Navy defeated by the US Navy? Answer, Battle of Midway. Fourth one, where did the US drop its first atomic bomb? Answer, Hiroshima. That bomb name is Little Boy. Fifth one, who were mainly persecuted by Hitler? Answer, Jews. Which Prime Minister of England who signed the Munich Pact with Germany? Answer, A. Chamberlain. Seventh one, when was the Charter of the UN signed? Answer, B. June 26, 1945. Fill in the blanks. Hitler attacked Dash, which was a demilitarized zone. Answer, Rhineland. The alliance between Italy, Germany and Japan is known as Rome-Berlin-Tokyo axis. The Dash started the Lend-Lease program. President Roosevelt. Fourth one, Britain Prime Minister Dash resigned in 1940. Answer, Chamberlain. Dash is a device used to find out the enemy aircraft from a distance. Answer, radar. Choose the correct answer. Assertion. President Roosevelt realized that the United States had to change its policy of isolation. Reason, he started a program of Lend-Lease in 1941. Answer, A. Both A and R are correct. Match the following. Blitzkrieg, Lightning Strike, Royal Navy, Britain, Lend-Lease, Roosevelt, Volga, Stalingrad, Guadalcanal, Solomon Island. History fourth lesson, the world after Second World War. Which American president followed the policy of containment of communalism? Answer, B. Truman. When was People's Political Consultative Conference held in China? Answer, D. September 1949. Third one, the United States and European allies formed Dash to resist any Soviet aggression in Europe. Answer, NATO. Fourth one, who became the chairman of the PLO's Executive Committee in 1969? Answer, Yasser Arafat. Fifth one, when was North and South Vietnam united? Answer, 1976. When was the Warsaw Pact dissolved? Answer, 1991. Fill in the blanks. Dash was known as the father of modern China. Answer, Dr. Sun Yat-sen. In 1918, the Society for the Study of Marxism was formed in Peking University. After the death of Dr. Sun Yat-sen, the leader of the Kuomintang Party was Chiang Kai-shek. CENTO Treaty is open to any Arab nations desiring peace and security in the region. Fifth one, the Treaty of Versailles provided for the mandates in Turkish Arab Empire. Sixth one, Germany joined the NATO in 1955. Seventh, Strasbourg was the headquarters of the Council of Europe. Eighth, Maastricht Treaty, signed on February 7, 1992, created the European Union. Third, choose the correct statement or statements. First one. In China in 1898, the young emperor, under the influence of the educated minority, initiated a series of reforms known as the 100 Days of Reforms. Second, the Kuomintang party represented the interest of the workers and peasants. Third, Yuan Shikai had lost prestige in the eyes of nationalists when he agreed to the demand of Japan to have economic control of Manchuria and Shantung. Fourth, Soviet Union refused to recognize the People's Republic of China for more than 2 decades. Answer is 1 and 3 are correct. Second, in 1948, the Soviet had established left-wing government in the countries of Eastern Europe that had been liberated by the Soviet army. Second, the chief objective of NATO was to preserve peace and security in the North Atlantic region. Third, the member countries of SEATO were committed to prevent democracy from gaining ground in the region. Fourth, Britain used the atomic bomb against Japan to convey its destructive capability to the USSR. Answer 1 and 2 are correct. Third, America's Marshall Plan was for reconstruction of the war-ravaged Europe. Reason, the US conceived the Marshall Plan to bring the countries in the Western Europe under its influence. Answer, both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Match the following. Dr. Sun Yat-sen, Kuomintang. Syngman Rhee, South Korea. Anwar Sadat, Egypt. Ho Chi Minh, North Vietnam. Ngo Dinh Diem, South Vietnam. History 5th lesson, Social Reform Movement in 19th century. In which year was Sati abolished? First answer, 1829. What was the name of the Samaj founded by Dayananda Saraswati? Option A, Arya Samaj. Whose combined and work led to the enactment of Widow Remarriage Reform Act of 1856? Option A, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Whose voice was Rast Koftar? Parsi movement. Fifth, who was the founder of Namdari movement? Answer, Baba Dayal Das. Sixth, who was the founder of Widow Remarriage Association? Answer, M.G. Ranade. Who was the author of the book Satyartha Prakash? Answer, A. Dayananda Saraswati. Fill in the blanks. Dash founded the Samarasa Veda Sanmarka Sangam. Option answer, Ramalinga Swamigal. Second, the founder of Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was Mahadev Govind Ranade. And third one, Kulamkir was written by Jyotiba Phule. Fourth one, Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. Dash was the forerunner of Akali movement, Singh Sabha. Urupaisa Tamilan was started by Ayodhi Dasar. Choose the correct answer. First, Rajaram Mohan Rai preached monotheism. Second, he encouraged idolatry. Third, he published tracts condemning social evils. Fourth, Rajaram Mohan Rai was supported by Governor General William Bentinck. Answer is D. 1, 3, 4 are correct. Second, Pratana Samaj was founded by Atmarang Pandurang. Second, Pratana Samaj encouraged interdining and intercaste marriage. Third, Jyotiba Phule worked for the upliftment of men. Pratana Samaj had its origin in the Punjab. Answer C. 1 and 2 are correct. Third one, Ramakrishna Mission was actively involved in social causes such as education, health care, relief, timing of calamities. Second, Ramakrishna emphasized the spiritual union with God through ecstatic practices. Third, Ramakrishna established the Ramakrishna Mission. Fourth, Ramakrishna opposed the partition of Bengal. Answers B. 1 and 2 are correct. Fourth one, Jyotiba Phule opened orphanages and homes for widows. Jyotiba Phule. Reason, Jyotiba Phule opposed child marriage and supported widow remarriage. Answer A. Assertion is correct, but reason not apt to the assertion. மேட்ச் ஒரு பைசா தமிழன், ஜேர்னல், திருவருட்பா, சாங்ஸ் ஆஃப் கிரேஸ், பாபா தயால் தாஸ், நிரங்காரி, ஈஸ்வர் சந்திர வித்யாசாகர், விடோ ரீமேரேஜ், தேபேந்திரநாத், ஆதி பிரம்ம சமாஜ்.